Question 12. What percentage of the total number of pens in containers A and B are green? This question is under the topic of percentage. First, we calculate the number of pens that are green in A and B respectively. 4% of 100 gives us 4, and 8% of 300 gives us 24. To calculate the percentage of the total number of pens in A and B that are green, we know that the formula used is total green pens over total number amount of pens times 100%. Hence, we find that the total green pens is 4 plus 24, which gives us 28. And the total amount of pens is 100 plus 300, which gives us 400. Now, we put the numbers in accordingly, and it gives us 28 over 400 times 100%, which gives us 7%. Our answer is option 2.